Ego Summer. Ego Summer and 2 new reworks. So Blue Log just updated. We got a brand new game mode inside of Blue Log with a new event, as well as HIORI and NEL ISAGI chemical reaction. So these two characters have been reworked and they have been added into a new chemical reaction X now right now. You see the strike tournament, there is a new Ego Summer with a brand new event, new game modes and new shop items. Look, you can get free flow spins, lucky flow spins, free style spins, and you just gotta collect these coins, and these coins are very easy to collect. You can also open packs with amazing emotes. Look at that, that is pretty cool. There is also a leaderboard, and the top 100 people will get the sandcastle goal ability, goal animation. The top 3 people will get another sandcastle animation. I do love this new update, and we'll be going over and actually redeeming every single new working code inside of this new update. So be sure to actually watch till the end, because we have all the new working codes in Blue Log Rivals. Blue Log with the new chemical reaction in game. They've added some new codes as well, which is amazing. Let's check out the updates. Patch logs. Okay, there's a lot of things changed inside of the game right now. The first code 1 million lion, 1 million CCU exclamation point. So this is the first code that you actually want to redeem inside of Blue Log. And also, if you do want yourself an extra style slot right there, right here, if you want an extra style slot right there, we will be gifting 3 of these style slots to you guys, so you can actually have yourself a style slot for yourself. The only thing that you need to do is comment Ego Summer. So if you comment down below Ego Summer, this is the shirt you have to comment down below and you'll be good to go. But we have some new codes. We have even more codes. RIN 999,000 exclamation point. So that is another code that you can redeem inside of Blue Log, and it'll be, you can literally get a bunch of lucky spins as well. For this one, the next code, the destroyer exclamation point. I'm still curious where the next milestone code is, because they didn't even release it yet. Why isn't the new milestone code released? Neo Egoist Rin exclamation point. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. These are every single of the Blue Log codes, and there should be another code that are about to be dropped. So they reached their goal, and the goal was 1.3 million. 1.1 million. So 1.1 million interested. I believe they. Okay, so they didn't drop the update. The update code. They didn't drop the update code, but they got 1.3 million interested. Okay, 1.3 million code. So this will be probably a upcoming code if they ever release it, because I'm not really sure what Chirolo is doing. Chirolo, wake up, Chirolo, come on, man. Where's the code at?